Did you know that there's some other factors other than bacteria that have been causing your feet to smell? When last did you wash your socks? And if you're the type that has sweaty feet, when last did you air dry your shoes? Please do watch this video to the end and see what you can use to control that smell on your feet. Hello wonderful people, it's a girl Amaka Maboko. If you're new to my channel and you've not subscribed, or you've been watching my videos and you've not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please do make sure to subscribe, like, comment, share, click on the notification bell for more videos. I also want to say thank you to those who have subscribed. I really appreciate this. So this video is on how to control a stinky feet. Have you been experiencing the sweaty feet, or when you take off your shoes you perceive some odors on your feet or from your shoes? Please do watch this video to the end. I know it will be helpful to someone. So over here is a raw unfiltered apple cider vinegar, and in here is our water, and on the other side is the water for rinsing. But before we go ahead to use it, we'll shake it. We're using 2 cups of this. And then we soak our feet in it, in the water, for 10 minutes. Try this twice a month and you see the results. You notice that the smell on your feet won't be there anymore. And by choice, you can soak your feet up to 20 minutes. So it's by choice. It's 10 minutes already for me. So now it's time for the rinsing. Dip my feet in the bucket, in the water, to rinse my feet. It's because of the bacteria on our feet. That's why sometimes when we put on our shoes and we take it off, our feet smells. And also, if you're the type that has sweaty feet, that's when you notice the smell from your shoes and feet. I hope you find this video useful. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share. Click on the notification bell for more videos. Thank you.